Welcome to Chapter 14. In this section, we're looking at where AI is headed and how you can prepare for an AI-driven world. The truth is, the future of AI is highly uncertain, but you do not need a perfect prediction to make smart decisions right now. We are going to explore this across 4 main areas, starting with the challenge of prediction, moving into how to filter out hype, understanding the big debate around AGI, and finally, why preparation is your best strategy. Let's start with subsection 1.1, why predicting technology is so hard. History is filled with confident technology predictions that turned out to be completely wrong. People underestimated home computers, early mobile phones, and the internet itself. Those forecasts failed because the future is shaped by surprises, the variables that no one sees coming. Because unseen surprises consistently break historical forecasts, assuming we can map out the exact technological landscape of the next 10 years is a guaranteed setup for failure. Artificial intelligence is even more resistant to prediction than past technologies, starting with its sheer speed. Abilities that many researchers thought were decades away, like writing fluent code or passing professional exams, arrived in just a few years. Second, AI is a general-purpose technology. Like electricity, it does not stay neatly confined to one specific task. It spreads out, simultaneously influencing medicine, law, education, and the skilled trades all at once. There is a common myth that the engineers and experts building these systems know exactly how powerful they will become and exactly when those milestones will hit. The reality is that the experts sharply disagree. Look at this forecasting projection. Some researchers expect near-human-level systems in a matter of years, which creates these sharp upper spikes. Others map out long, flat plateaus, estimating those advancements are still decades away. When developers cannot agree on a timeline, locking onto a single prediction leaves you highly vulnerable. A better approach is to hold any specific forecast loosely and prepare for widespread uncertainty. That brings us to subsection 1.2. Telling forecasts from hype. You will hear a lot of dramatic claims about artificial intelligence. Some say it will cure every disease. Others say it will eliminate all jobs. Often, these statements come from people trying to sell a product, boost a stock price, or promote a specific worldview. To evaluate these claims, you can use a simple 4-question filter to separate a careful forecast from pure hype. You ask, who is saying it? Is there a timeline? How certain do they sound? And what is the evidence? A careful forecast usually names its sources, offers a rough date range, uses cautious language like could or likely, and points directly to data. Hype does the opposite. It relies on anonymous experts, claims sweeping changes are coming soon with absolute certainty, and bases its evidence on vibes or science fiction tropes. Applying this simple verify, don't trust habit allows you to critically analyze news without needing a computer science degree. It turns panic and excitement into objective evaluation. Next is subsection 1.3, the big debate, artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is a hypothetical system that could match or exceed human ability across a vast range of tasks. Every system we use today is narrow AI, powerful within specific lanes, but highly restricted. AGI would have flexible, learn-anything competence. It is crucial to state clearly, AGI does not currently exist. Furthermore, forecasting groups are deeply divided on whether it will arrive in a few years or if it will take until the 2040s and beyond. Part of the confusion comes from how modern chatbots work. When a system writes a beautiful poem or drafts complex code, it feels generally intelligent, but it is actually performing a narrow task, predicting likely next words based on vast patterns in its training data. Sounding smart is very different from being generally intelligent. A highly fluent system can generate a brilliant essay, then completely fail at counting objects in a logic puzzle or recognizing when its own facts are wrong. For a beginner, the most strategic move is to completely step out of the AGI timeline debate. Whether a massive technological leap takes 5 years or 50, the foundational skills you need to succeed remain exactly the same. And that leads to our final assigned subsection, 1.4, preparing beats predicting. If the experts cannot tell us exactly what is coming, the sensible response is a mindset shift. Prediction focuses passively on guessing what will happen. Preparation focuses actively on building the habits you can control across many possible futures. There are 4 pillars of preparation that belong entirely to you: staying genuinely curious, prioritizing continuous learning, getting comfortable adopting new tools, and strengthening your independent human judgment. To see why this matters right now, take a look at this chart. It plots AI adoption rates against the cost of running capable models. By 2026, organizational use of AI rose to roughly 90%, directly intersecting with a dramatic drop in computing costs. When a technology becomes incredibly useful and significantly cheaper all at once, it spreads into workplaces faster than academic forecasts can track. The ground is moving under our feet today, which means the time to prepare is immediately right now. Let's review our roadmap. Predicting technology is exceptionally difficult. Media hype must be filtered rigorously. The arrival of AGI is a highly contested unknown. And because of all that, building adaptable human skills is your absolute best strategy. The precise future of artificial intelligence remains an unsolved variable, but cultivating rigorous critical thinking and strong human judgment is the only formula guaranteed to help you navigate it.